Imagine a world where earning over $200 per day is not just a dream, but a reality. Welcome to the world of making money online. In the digital age, the internet has become more than just a hub for information and communication. It's a bustling marketplace, an arena of opportunity, teeming with potential for those with the foresight to seize it. The digital landscape is vast and varied, offering numerous avenues for the savvy entrepreneur to generate an income from the comfort of their own home. The dawn of online entrepreneurship has seen a seismic shift in the way we perceive work and earning potential. No longer are we confined to the traditional 9-to-5 grind. The internet has democratized the world of business, enabling anyone with a connection and a bit of creativity to carve out their own slice of the digital pie. So, what's the main topic of our discussion today? Making over $200 per day online with free traffic. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But with the right knowledge, tools, and a dash of determination, it's an achievable goal. But we're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes here. No, this is about harnessing the power of the internet, leveraging its vast reach to connect with potential customers and clients. It's about creating value, offering products or services that people want or need, and doing so in a way that's sustainable and profitable. In our journey today, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of online money-making, delving into the strategies that can help you generate a steady stream of income. We'll discuss how to optimize your online presence, how to attract and retain visitors, and how to convert that traffic into revenue. The potential for making money online is vast and largely untapped. The opportunities are there, waiting for those with the courage to reach out and grab them. So are you ready to discover the secret to making over $200 per day online with free traffic? Stay tuned. Now that you're intrigued, let's delve deeper into the basics of making money online. In the vast digital world, the term free traffic is like the golden goose. It refers to the visitors who land on your website, blog, or social media pages without you having to spend a dime on advertising. Now you might wonder, how is this possible? The answer lies in a mix of strong search engine optimization, or SEO, engaging content, and a consistent online presence. Imagine the internet as a bustling city. Your online platforms are your shops, and free traffic is the footfall you get without paying for billboards or radio ads. SEO is your shop's location. The better it is, the more people walk past and come in. Engaging content is your shop display. The more attractive and relevant it is, the more people stop, look, and eventually buy. Now, let's talk about the importance of a strong online presence. In the digital age, your online presence is like your digital footprint. It's how you appear to the world, and more importantly, to your potential customers. A well-maintained online presence tells your audience that you're active, reliable, and invested in what you do. Creating high-quality content is another fundamental aspect of online money-making. High-quality content is like the heart of your online business. It attracts people, keeps them engaged, and encourages them to share your content with others. This ripple effect helps to increase your free traffic, which can eventually lead to more sales and higher profits. Remember, creating high-quality content is not just about writing well. It's about understanding your audience, their needs, their likes, and creating content that resonates with them. So to sum up, the basics of making money online revolve around leveraging free traffic, maintaining a strong online presence, and creating high-quality, engaging content. Mastering these basics is key to unlocking the secret of earning $200+ per day online. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to walk you through the process. Making over $200 per day online is easier than you might think, but it does require some work and a strategic approach. So let's get started. First things first, you need to choose the right niche. The niche you select is critical because it's where you'll be focusing your efforts and creating your content. So, how do you choose? Start by identifying your passions, interests, or areas of expertise. You want to pick a niche that you're genuinely interested in, as this will keep you motivated and make your work more enjoyable. But also remember, your chosen niche should have a significant audience interested in the same topic. Once you've settled on a niche, it's time to create engaging content. This is the meat and potatoes of your online presence. Content can be anything: blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, the list goes on. The key is to provide value. Your content should educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Remember, people go online to solve problems or meet needs, so make sure your content addresses these points. Now, creating content is one thing, but getting people to see it is another. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. SEO is the process of improving your content to increase its visibility for relevant searches. It's about understanding what people are searching for online, the words they're using, and the type of content they want to consume. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can attract a steady stream of free, organic traffic to your website or blog. So how do you optimize your content? Start by incorporating relevant keywords into your content. These are words or phrases that people might use when searching for the topics you're covering. Use these keywords naturally throughout your content, but avoid keyword stuffing, as this can harm your SEO efforts. In addition to keywords, consider other SEO strategies like creating quality backlinks, improving your site's load speed, and optimizing your images. And don't forget about the importance of a user-friendly website. Make sure your site is easy to navigate with clear, concise content that's easy to read. Also, keep in mind that SEO is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires consistent effort. So, be patient. SEO results may not happen overnight, but with time and consistency, you'll start to see your traffic increase. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to making over $200 per day online. Choose the right niche, create engaging content, and optimize for search engines to attract free traffic. Following these steps consistently can lead you to your goal of making $200 per day online. While the journey to making money online seems exciting, there are common pitfalls you should avoid. One prevalent mistake is spreading yourself too thin by not focusing on a single niche. It's like trying to be a jack of all trades and ending up being master of none. Specializing in a particular area and knowing it inside out can help you stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Another common blunder is failing to optimize for search engines. Just imagine having a store in a busy shopping district, but no signboard. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is your signboard in the digital world. It helps people find you amidst the sea of information online. And let's not forget the importance of engaging with your audience. Ignoring comments and feedback is like turning a blind eye to your customers in a physical store. Engaging with your audience builds trust and fosters a sense of community, which can lead to customer loyalty and increased sales. Avoiding these common mistakes can significantly increase your chances of success. We've covered a lot today, but remember, knowledge is useless without action. And so we come to the end of our journey today, having navigated the vast possibilities of making money online. We've delved into the basics, understanding the fundamentals that underpin this digital domain. We've taken a step-by-step tour, illustrating how you can start making over $200 per day online. And we've highlighted common pitfalls, those pesky mistakes that can trip up even the most diligent among us. But all this wisdom, all these strategies, they're just words unless you take action. You see, the online world is a dynamic, ever-evolving space. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, but the principles, the foundations we've laid out, they remain constant. So what's the next step, you ask? The answer is simple. Start. Start small, start big, just start. Don't let the fear of failure prevent you from taking that first step. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and every dollar made online begins with a single click. Apply the basics we've discussed, follow the step-by-step guide, be mindful of the common mistakes, and most importantly, be patient. Success doesn't come overnight. It's the result of consistent effort, persistent learning, and unwavering resolve. In the end, the secret to making over $200 per day online isn't locked away in a vault or hidden behind a paywall. It's right there, within your grasp. It's the willingness to learn, the readiness to adapt, the courage to take risks, and the tenacity to keep going, even when the going gets tough. So go forth and conquer the digital domain. Make your mark in the online world. And remember, every click, every view, every visitor is a potential earning opportunity. The secret to making $200 or more per day online with free traffic is now in your hands. It's time to take action. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time.